In Uganda's poorest region, Karamoja, half of the food and water children consume is contaminated, and the bacteria inside no longer respond to common antibiotics.
It was shocking that 50% of the food and water samples consumed by children under 5 years in Karamoja sub-region contained actually non-typhoidal salmonella enterica serotypes. So it was already contaminated.
To understand why this is happening, you have to understand how Karamoja lives and how survival itself makes the situation even worse.
The Karamoja region is unusual within Uganda in the sense that it's an arid, semi-arid region which struggles with access to water. And also the communities there are predominantly pastoral communities. And one of the implications of this is that there is very close contact between humans and animals. In fact, in this community, they have a structure called a manyata, which is an enclosed homestead where animals are in the center. So the animals sleep in the center of the home. This is what led to a lot of the environmental contamination and food contamination.
More than 60% of Karamoja still practices open defecation. For many families, even basic toilets are a luxury. Uganda's National Action Plan on Antimicrobial Resistance is now in its 5th year. The goal? To track and control drug resistance before it spreads.
We do have a antimicrobial resistance plan as a country, which we are rolling out in how to manage antimicrobial drug resistance. The more expensive drugs like azithromycin and ciprofloxacin, which are in fact more expensive drugs, were the ones which were resistant. So we can roll out the cheaper and more friendly drugs. The ampicillins were still susceptible in that area with only resistance of about 2.6%. I think that's a very small proportion of resistance. But yes, we do have teaching people to take the right medications, have diagnostics in place, and make sure that the people have complete treatment.
But the real fight won't happen in the labs or hospitals. It will happen in homes and communities. Safe water, safe food, working antibiotics. That's what Karamoja's children need and what Uganda must fight to protect.